Welcome to the Dr. Izzy's Medical Podcast channel.
Question: what amino acid is serotonin derived from? Answer: tryptophan. Question: which B vitamin is the only one that does not wash out easily from the body? Answer: vitamin B12, cobalamin. Question: which metabolic shunt is the vital source of ribose for nucleotide synthesis and glycolytic intermediates? Answer: HMP shunt, pentose phosphate pathway. Question: what type of cell contains the intermediate filament glial fibrillary acid protein? Answer: neuroglia. Question: which laboratory technique is used to diagnose chromosomal imbalances? Answer: karyotyping. Question: how does the activity of acetyl-CoA carboxylase in fatty acid synthesis change with glucagon regulation? Answer: decrease. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of ornithine transcarbamylase deficiency? Answer: X-linked recessive. Question: which metabolic pathway functions to get rid of any excess nitrogen generated by amino acid catabolism? Answer: urea cycle. Question: what is the polyadenylation signal on mRNA? Answer: AAUAAA. Question: how does vitamin B1, thiamine, deficiency affect glucose breakdown? Answer: impairs it. The result in ATP depletion is worsened by glucose administration. Question: against which fat-soluble vitamin is warfarin an antagonist? Answer: vitamin K. Question: which enzyme in lysosomes degrades a small amount of glycogen? Answer: alpha-1,4-glucosidase, acid maltase. Question: which vesicular trafficking protein carries material from the ER to the Golgi? Answer: COP2. Question: how do increased NADH levels influence gluconeogenesis? Answer: activation. Question: how does an increase in NADH levels influence the TCA cycle? Answer: inhibitions. Question: how does an increase in NAD+ levels influence the TCA cycle? Answer: activation. Question: what is the rate determining enzyme of the HMP shunt? Answer: glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, G6PD. Question: which blotting procedure is used to identify protein? Answer: Western blot. Question: how does the activity of fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase and gluconeogenesis change with acetyl-CoA regulation? Answer: increase. Question: which enzyme catalyzes peptide bond formation during translation by transferring the growing polypeptide to the amino acid present in the A site? Answer: rRNA, ribozyme. Question: which enzyme in muscle activates glycogen phosphorylase when it is bound to calcium? Answer: calmodulin. Question: which mitochondrial enzyme receives electrons from FADH2 in the electron transport chain? Answer: complex 2, aka succinate dehydrogenase. Question: which type of DNA repair functions to repair spontaneous, toxic deamination? Answer: base excision repair. Question: where in the body is the small reserve pool of vitamin B9, folic acid, stored? Answer: liver. Question: what is the treatment for cystinuria? Answer: urinary alkalinization and chelators that increase the solubility of cysteine stones. Question: how do methylmalonic acid levels change in vitamin B9, folic acid, deficiency? Answer: no change, they stay normal. Question: what type of cytoskeletal filament is involved in muscle contraction? Answer: actin and myosin. Question: how many ATP molecules are made per acetyl-CoA molecule that enters the TCA cycle? Answer: 10. Question: which eukaryotic ribosomal subunit assembles with the initiator tRNA molecule? Answer: 40S. Question: which essential amino acids are both ketogenic and glucogenic? Answer: isoleucine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan. Question: how do inhibin A levels change in the quad screen in Edwards syndrome, trisomy 18? Answer: decrease, or normal. Question: which nucleus in the thalamus is damaged in Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome? Answer: medial dorsal nucleus. Question: which two sources provide the ammonia that enters the urea cycle? Answer: the gut via glutaminase, glutamate via glutamate dehydrogenase. Question: which lipoprotein functions to transport cholesterol from liver to tissues? Answer: LDL. Question: how many rings are found in purines? Answer: 2. Question: which enzyme involved with DNA replication makes RNA primers on which DNA polymerase III can initiate replication? Answer: primase. Question: Which water-soluble vitamin is used as a cofactor for homocysteine methyltransferase? Answer: vitamin B12, cobalamin. Question: which mode of genetic inheritance is often associated with enzyme deficiencies? Answer: autosomal recessive. Question: which intermediate in the TCA cycle can be made from aspartate via AST with B6? Answer: oxaloacetate. Question: how does insulin influence glycogenesis? Answer: activation. Question: which fat-soluble vitamin is used as a treatment for AML-M3? Answer: vitamin A. Question: which structural form of chromatin is sterically accessible? Answer: euchromatin. Question: which fat-soluble vitamin is essential for normal differentiation of epithelial cells into specialized tissue? Answer: vitamin A, retinol. Question: which fat-soluble vitamin is able to enhance the anticoagulant effects of warfarin? Answer: vitamin E, tocopherol, tocotrienol. Question: which enzyme in the urea cycle requires N-acetylglutamate as a cofactor? Answer: carbamyl phosphate synthetase 1. Question: what chromosomal deletion is seen in velocardiofacial syndrome? Answer: 22q11. Question: how many kcal of energy is obtained from 1 gram of protein? Answer: 4 kilocalories. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease? Answer: autosomal dominant. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of hypophosphatemic rickets? Answer: X-linked dominant. Question: what type of collagen is found in tendons? Answer: type 1. Question: which intermediate of the TCA cycle can be made from alanine by AST with B6? Answer: pyruvate. Question: what is the rate determining enzyme of the urea cycle? Answer: carbamyl phosphate synthetase 1. Question: which type of disease is highly associated with anti-U1-RNP antibodies? Answer: mixed connective tissue disease. Question: what are the two acidic amino acids? Answer: aspartate, glutamate. Question: what amino acid is dopamine derived from? Answer: tyrosine via phenylalanine. Question: what is the treatment for the lysosomal storage disorder Gaucher disease? Answer: recombinant glucocerebrositis. Question: how many kcal of energy is obtained from 1 gram of carbohydrate? Answer: 4 kilocalories. Question: what type of cardiac septal defect is seen in Cre-Duchat syndrome? Answer: ventricular septal defect. Question: what enzyme is deficient in Pompe disease? Answer: alpha-1,4-glucosidase, acid maltase. Question: what amino acid is melatonin derived from? Answer: tryptophan via serotonin. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of neurofibromatosis type 2? Answer: autosomal dominant. Question: which enzyme is responsible for the accuracy of amino acid selection for protein synthesis? Answer: aminoacyl tRNA synthetase. Question: what B vitamin is cobalamin? Answer: B12. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of homocystinuria? Answer: autosomal recessive. Question: how does ethanol metabolism affect gluconeogenesis? Answer: inhibition due to increased NADH, NAD ratio. Question: which enzyme involved in de novo pyrimidine synthesis is inhibited by the antineoplastic methotrexate? Answer: dihydrofolate reductase. Question: which water-soluble vitamin is converted to pyridoxal phosphate, a cofactor used in transamination? Answer: vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Question: what cardiac complications are seen in myotonic muscular dystrophy type 1? Answer: arrhythmia. Question: how does the risk of autosomal recessive disorders change in consanguineous families? Answer: increased. Question: how does the risk of acute lymphocytic leukemia change in Down syndrome? Answer: increase. Question: what is the genetic inheritance of Ehlers-Danlos syndrome? Answer: can be AD or AR. Question: vitamins with which type of solubility have more common toxicity? Answer: fat soluble due to accumulation in body fat stores. Question: how many kcal of energy is obtained from 1 gram of fat? Answer: 9 kilocalories. Question: where in the body is ethanol metabolized? Answer: liver only. Question: which gene is associated with multiple endocrine neoplasia 2A and 2B? Answer: RET. Question: what does CoA carry when it is in its activated form? Answer: acyl groups. Question: Which molecular motor protein transports cargo in an anterograde direction towards the positive end of the microtubule? Answer, kinesin. Question, what kind of diet is known to induce vitamin B12, cobalamin, deficiency? Answer, vegan. Question, what is the treatment for phenylketonuria? Answer, less phenylalanine and more tyrosine in the diet.
Thank you for listening Dr. Izzy's Medical Podcast Series. If you want to support this project, please subscribe the channel and like this video.
Thank you.